This is Young Eagles Day, so we're here at the Concord Airport. We hope to fly a bunch of kids today, all day. And one of the things that I like to do the most, I really enjoy coming here. So we have, looks like we have 4 or 5 different airplanes, an RV, a Cessna, and there's 3 or 4 more flying. So I have always done this, probably 7-8 years now, and really enjoy doing it. It's really nice to see the kids' faces and see their joy when they go flying for the first time. A lot of these kids never flew before, so I love doing this. You can see a bunch of people there, so let's check it out. Alright, so let's try to do something different. You see the runway here that crosses?
Yeah.
See if we can depart before that runway? Be in the air before the runway comes in. You think we can do that?
Maybe.
Alright, let's try it. Whoa, look at that. Alright, let's see it. Coming up, the tail comes up. What? Look at that.
Wow. That was a short takeoff.
Pretty short, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, before we take off, every time we have to do a high five. Let's do it. Ready? Yeah. Alright. You think we can do it?
Yeah.
It's coming. It's coming. What? There we go.
We do a Daisyland ride, which was like you went down and then up and down and up.
Oh, like a roller coaster kind of thing?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Sure.
Okay. So I have the airplane now.
Okay.
You can relax.
Ready for takeoff, 3, 2, right.
Like that?
Yeah.
4
Or like this.
Woo! Woo!
Here you go. I'll do a very slow one for you, okay?
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah.
Me too. You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Alright. You wanna do a little higher?
Sure.
All right.
Caution, terrain.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so weird. Ew. Nice.
Seafreight.
Is that the San Mateo Bridge?
That's the Benicia Bridge. So you're gonna go right, and then we go straight. Here we go, and then we make sure that we're straight. Boom, right here. That's it. Look, you put the airplane perfect. I don't even have to touch. Okay, let's go on top of this island here, and we're gonna chase a tail.
What is that?
I'll show you. All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's chase a tail. Smoke on.
Woo! That's cool.
Here's the tail. You see the smoke right here?
Yeah,
Oh, the smoke right there.
that's cool.
Look at that. You see it?
Yeah.
There we go. Smoke off. You feel good?
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
I don't get car sick or anything, so.
All right. You wanna fly a little bit? You wanna see how it feels?
Yeah, sure.
So right goes right,
Yeah.
left goes left, you pull back, it goes up, you push, it goes down.
Yeah.
That's basically it.
Can I turn the camera over there?
There's another one there, there's another one, there's a bunch of cameras. Yeah, so we have cameras all over. So we're getting it. We're getting everything.
Kitfox 1 Kilo Kilo, turn left your discretion, contact ground point 9er, nice landing.
Left on Echo and ground point 9, thanks. Okay, we go. Background 1 Kilo Kilo at Echo and Juliet, parking to the clubhouse.
Kitfox 1 Kilo Kilo, conquer ground, taxi to the clubhouse via Echo, and thanks for the show.
No problem, 1 Kilo Kilo. Alright, little man, give me 5, dude. You landed the plane almost by yourself. I don't know how you did it, because you had one hand here and the other hand there, and it's like expert level. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Most people, they have to have both hands on it, but you only had one hand on it.
I don't know why.
Yeah. Alright, Scarlett, how was it?
Awesome.
From 1 to 10. 10 being the best, 1 being like
11.
11. Give me 5. There we go.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Alex's channel for more. And always, I want to thank the Young Eagles for letting me actually be in an airplane. Thanks, it was a lot of fun. Bye.
I'll see you guys next time.
I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe.